Sad happened to my friend. He had a gumball. A red one. Show him. You want to get normal, like loot in there, or do you want to make something big?
Let's make something big. Let's make it a little exciting.
Like, what do you want?
Oh yeah,
to do?
this dude I saw on TikTok, he put something like random in it. He got, instead of getting that item, he got like nuts. They look like nuts like that, and they were just big and small.
Oh, yeah. I know where to find those, but it's like it's in a cave. You can have. What about one of those sensor things? One of those giant sensor things.
Oh yeah.
Let's do one of those, like just a small one or something. See if we can get like a really small one or something. Like that.
These are all the ones I got. Let's do the big one. I don't like the big one.
Yeah, do the big one.
No. I don't like the big one. I already got a grappler.
Nah, yeah, no, okay. You need a pickaxe?
And no, I already got a pickaxe.
Oh, I just bought one for no reason then.
And we also got a bag of sticks. Oh shit, you can't dupe them, I forgot.
Yeah. You're just gonna hold on to them, I guess. I'll get the whatever.
Can you buy me a regular grappler? I didn't know this one was a big one.
Yeah. I'm Tim Cheese. I'm Tim Cheese.
And I killed John Pork. Oh yeah, I know how to make a Laginator bag. For all the people out there, to make a Laginator bag, you need to have a bunch of, what do they call it, flare guns. Go all the way up there, almost out of the map, to where a point makes sure your items look glitchy. Just dump them all out, right there, and you'll have a lag. I'll lag everybody there.
Oh yeah. Where it starts making your items look rainbow.
Yeah.
I think someone named Neuter said that's how you make legendary items. He got out, but that really isn't. It's just like a glitch. You can't have them permanently. But it's cool though. I'll break
Nice
his bones.
kitty.
Awesome.
Nice kitty.
Oh, a revolver. I'll keep that in handy.
I'll take that junk.
You want?
Actually, no, you can have it. General Munction. Oh my god.
Munction. Or Munction? I think it's
Yeah, Munction.
Munction?
General Munction, man.
Munchkin. It's Munchkin. Munchkin.
Yeah, Munchkin.
Not Munchkin. Munchkin.
Wow, Betty.
Remember, you have to be very... That's
Look
good.
into the camera.
Wait to be...
Wait. I can't get it out.
How high can you go up like this? Oh, yeah. You're fine. You stay right here and do that while I go out there and obliterate his testes. Stop kidnapping. Alright, let's go.
He's humping me.
Alright, let's go. I think it's over here.
Brother, he was humping me.
Bro, I'll tell you if it's like good or bad. Nothing happened. Good. A little bad. A little bad again. Bad. Back at zero. Bad again. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Good. Bad. A little good. 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 A little good. We might get a bad. Good. Bad. don't know what my signal is.
Oh my god.
A bunch of bads and a little good. Alright, ready. Nothing happened, I'm pretty sure. Bad.
That's it.
Oh. No.
Ah, bro, we ain't gonna
get anything from this.
Let's at least go get the rubber duckies.
Yeah. I mean, there ain't no monster, I'm pretty sure. I know he can come over there. Never mind.
There isn't a monster. Hey, can you take the key card?
Sure. Drop it. Crap, bro. I think the better the item, the higher the chance for that thing is. But I'm not for sure.
Yo. Alright.
Yeah.
You better keep watch, bro.
Be careful, very careful. Oh, it's over here. I wonder. Alright, another one.
Man, come here. Man, I'll be done. Dog. You better have something good.
Yo, I found a bunch over here. You just follow my voice. Over here, over here, over here.
Ooh, yeah. We gotta be very careful.
Let's break them all and then we grab them. Cause that's a better idea, because then we can watch out for the monster.
Don't make me release the beast.
Don't make me release the beast. Oh, I got a research point at 9.
Yo, I have 3 research points now.
Let's go. I think he spawned back in, so be careful if you're gonna grab those.
You know who that's from?
Yeah, it's Muscle Man.
Yeah. Stand ready for my arrival, Mom.
Didn't I send you that?
I don't think so. If you did, I probably didn't watch it.
No, I sent that to Noctilus, I'm pretty sure, which is Eric.
Yeah.
I think we have to go this way. So we mined him, brother. We mined him here, and then we went. Yeah, he's here, be careful.
Don't worry, I'll take care of him, bro.
Got him.
Never mind.
Come on.
Ooh. Today, guys, we got some sardines. Oh, wait. I can't stop. Today, guys, we got some sardines.
Today, guys, we're trying the new Feet Deluxe from McDonald's. We fool if you want to stop there.
This is General Munkshaman. I'm sorry, but
Bro got blinded. Or not blinded, grinded. Let's go ahead and go back and get more sticks.
you weren't recording.
No, I have a red dot on my screen. Giggity giggity goo.
Just dump all the sticks on the floor.
Drop them on the floor. Sticks are the easiest way to, do this junk because they're free and it doesn't require any money. Except like the part where you need to grab like the rubber duckies, you might need a grappler or something. Or like a weapon to defend yourself on the entity or whatever the hell it's called, the annoying little gremlin that screams at you for no apparent reason.
I want to see what I could buy for 3 crystals.
Yeah, you need your tech load finished for the next update. for the theremin thing or whatever. Cause
Yeah.
I have mine fully. Yo, I wonder what's gonna be all up here when it's like fully done. I wonder if there's gonna be like a second area once they like have nothing left. Like there's like a little arrow here where you could swipe it.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Think you can buy the sticks.
That's it. Wait, no, never mind. That's it.
I'm still gonna buy them for no reason. Alright, we ready? We ready, bud? Oh! I'll tell you if it's good or bad. Oh.
Let's just put the rocket in there.
What the hell was that luck? The
rocket?
The rocket filled it up from here basically to here.
I was like, let's try rocket. Alright, ready?
Yep. Bad. Good. 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 Bad. Bad. A little good. Barely anything. I hate this game so much. Bad. Very good. A little good, but very decent. Decently good. Decently bad. Nothing happened at all.
Hey, look, you try. You try.
I have no luck in me. I called the game bad and it flipping like in half, actually.
Too bad. You try. Good! Bad. Four.
Ah!
Bro, look! It was like all the way to right here, and it was all the way to right there, and it went.
What's your final
Started,
words?
bro.
What's your final words? You can barely
wait.
hear it.
He's talking to me. F.
Oh, I get.
Hi, F.
I think it detects
D.
your rarity. I think it detects my price. No, it doesn't.
What do you gotta say?
Just like a car.
Alright, well, too bad.
I didn't like that sound.
Me neither.
I'm scared. Oh no! Let's just yoink them. Just grab them. We'll
Oh my god! Oh, my audio!
Oh God! What happened?
I don't know, but my audio. Here.
Ham him.
My ears!
Shut up! Oh, it's back.
Oh my god!
Ah, it's back again.
Ah!
Yo, get over here.
It's only when you get near that.
Yeah. Let's just leave this hell-forsaken place.
I will generally shoot your brains out. I hate that one so much.
I don't miss twice. The difference between a snowball and a snow woman. I mean, a snowball and a snowman. The difference between a snowman and a snow woman is snowballs.
Yeah. I get that one a little. Alright. Let's see what we got.
Money time. Oh, it's because some of them were on. This one's huge.
Money dogs. Money
We
dogs.
got absolutely no small ones.
I mean, this is the smallest one. So how are we
We
gonna
only
spread
got these
out?
two. This is the biggest. Big buffer.
Let's activate them all. Today, guys, we're gonna be showing you how to make a black hole. Wait a second, let me go offline real quick so none of them can steal it. So, you know.
I'm gonna stack the biggest to the smallest.
Oh, wait, I still have some.
I'm doing biggest to the smallest. Oh, this one is non.
So how are we gonna even these out? That one's floating!
I'm gonna summon the demon. No! Get near it.
Wow, cause of black, right? Bro, it's detecting your radiation, bro.
I ain't that radioactive.
You just explode. Stand back real quick.
I got nothing on me either.
That wasn't me.
What's up,
Alright,
man?
how are we gonna spread? How are we gonna even these out?
Yeah, one was over here.
Oh, and how are we gonna even these out or whatever?
I want the big one. You can have the rest if you want them. Actually, hold on. I want to take these three right here.
Alright, I'm fine with that. I don't really like the big ones.
Oh yeah, there's that one back
They
there.
activate inside of your bag.
What?
Oh wait, are yours on? They activate inside your bag. Look, they're all on.
What the heck?
Bro, that's cool, bro. They activate inside your bag. Like, if nobody has one, just activate them all inside of your bag and then just go like, do y'all hear that?
Now let me get my big black bag.
Can I have this?
Yeah. They only activate right here. For me, at least.
I'm gonna shut them all off.
Yeah. They only activate where you put. See, they only activate when I get near here.
Mine are all off.
I think you need to go to your. Alright. Yeah, mine are all off too.
Yeah, all of yours are red.
Mine aren't red for some reason. It only does that one. I guess. Yeah. Alright. We are done with today's video of exploring that and getting some of these very cool abominations. And at least we figured out that backpack glitch. already figured out that Sigma, very Sigma thing. Bye, guys. Have a good day.